Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammed Asif and I'm business coach at Tracks. The course on which I'm going to talk about is goal setting and strategy. The focus is on developing habits, changing behavior, and achieving your targets. We will help you to organize your resources as well as your knowledge so that you can achieve the best not in your career path but in your life also. Most people, despite enormous efforts, are not able to achieve something worthwhile. The problem is not of the will or the skill. The basic understanding of the priorities as well as imaging and visualization is, in a nutshell, a process involved in goal setting. We will enable you as well as train you in developing a habit goal model which will result in achieving your targets as well as goals naturally with pride and confidence in yourself. No matter it is a personal goal, family goal, or a business goal, we will help you at Tracks to not only develop the vision as well as the skills, but also train your will that whatever you want to achieve in life can be achieved by setting the right priorities. Thank you.